Dear friends, so today our topic is chapter number 1, integers. So in earlier classes you have already studied about integers. So what is integers? Integers are the collection of number. Collection of numbers consisting whole numbers and negative numbers, means positive and negative numbers, right? And representation of number line, here is negative integers and here is positive integers. You have already studied about this. So now point you should remember, negative into negative is always positive. Positive into positive is always positive. So here one simply method to remember this is when two same sign are there, means negative negative, if positive positive, then the result will be always positive, right? And when the sign is different, one is positive and one is negative, so the result will be always negative. There is different sign, negative and positive, so negative and positive will be negative, right? Here sign also, so minus minus equal to plus, plus into plus equal to plus, plus into minus is equal to minus, and minus into plus is equal to negative. Two same sign, so positive, two same sign, positive, and when two different sign, result will be always in negative. Division also, negative divided by negative is always positive. Same condition is in with division also. You have lots of doubt, right? What is this negative, negative, positive and all. So let us take an example here. If product of minus 2 and minus 2 means two negative integers product, result will be always positive. As you see in there, negative negative positive, so 2 into 2 is 4 and minus into minus is plus. Example of division. So what condition is in division? If there is minus 2 divided by minus 2, so 2 divided by 2 will get 1, right? And when negative divided by negative sign, what is the sign here? Plus. Okay? So negative divided by negative is positive. Okay? We'll learn about BODMAS rule. What is BODMAS rule is, B means bracket, O means of, D means division, M multiplication, A addition, and S is subtraction, right? So when we solve the simplification or integers problems, so you use BODMAS rule always, okay? Now look at very carefully, bracket. Have you seen before? Yes. Bracket, curly bracket, square bracket, right? So first in question we will solve this bracket. How can we solve? Let us take one example. See this example. You are thinking this is very lengthy question, but by using BODMAS rule it can be simply solved, right? So first, have you seen bracket? Yes, it is bracket. So solve bracket first. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay. Now what is the next point is of. So here no sign is there, right? That means of. Of means what? Multiplication. And then 14 divided by 2 multiply 2 plus 3 minus 1. Now come next step. What is next step? Division. So where you have seen division? Yes, here. So divide these two numbers. 14 divided by 2. What we will get? 7. Okay. And note down 2 plus 3 minus 1. Now come another step. What is another step is? Multiplication. So where you have seen multiplication? Yes, two sides, right? 2 into 7 into 3. What we will get? 2 into 7, 40. 14 into 3 is 42, right? And here what left? Plus 3 and minus 1. Now come another one. Come in next step. 42 plus 3 minus 1. What is next step? Addition. So add these number first. 42 plus 3 is 45. Now minus 1. And what is the left? Subtraction. 45 minus 1 is 44. So we can easily solve this question by using BODMAS rule. Solve this, and if you have any doubt related to these questions, please ask me on my comment box.